Hello teachers, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. This video is basically, again a small tutorial for how to, take a new meeting, right? So let's get started, because from tomorrow onwards you have to take meetings according to this video. Please watch it very carefully, see the steps. Okay, so let's get started. So I am first of all signing in. Suppose through a Google account. Definitely you already know that. With Google, I'm clicking on Google. Then after that, suppose you have a session of 10th A science. So I am using another account here. So 10th A science.uspc, right? So I'm signing in here, and I'll be putting password, which is USPC science. Right, it is signing in. Okay, so it's done. So we are launching Zoom here. So I have launched the Zoom. Okay, it's taking some time to connect. Login failed. So let's try it again. Okay, so 10th science, I was logging in. Launch Zoom, connecting. Okay, we have successfully logged in our account. You have to check whether we have logged in through our correct email ID. Go to settings on right side at the top, bottom, sorry. Then you can see that 10th A science is there, and right, so meet and chat. So you have to see at the top of the screen you have 4 buttons. So what you were doing before this, that you were going to the schedule and you were scheduling the meetings, and to check those scheduled meetings you were going to the meetings right here. But as you can see that there is no meeting scheduled for tomorrow or for day after tomorrow, and I am getting some messages too that why the meetings it's not scheduled here. The reason is behind this, that you are having the duty chart with you, and we used to send it in our academic group, right? So what you have to do is from tomorrow onwards you have to take a new meeting, right? So suppose you are having 9:30 to 10:30, right? A session is there, the first slot session is there. So what you have to do is you have to go to the new meeting. Can you see that on your top of the screen? Yeah, new meeting. Click on the new meeting, right? Video must be on. Use personal meeting ID, that is enabled. Start a meeting. Okay, so sharp at sorry sharp at 9:30 you will start your meeting like this. Students will automatically come into this meeting, right? Because they'll be having their own Zoom ID and password for this meeting. Okay, so this is the process, and see, after 40 minutes this meeting will end automatically. And because this is 1 hour session now, so you have to re-log in again, and the students will come again as you were doing in the classes before, like before the revision classes. Clear? So this is the process, and after the 1 hour is complete, you just go to end. And okay, let me tell you one thing before ending the meeting. The settings which I told you before this, right, is same. You have to check for, you go to more, go to meeting settings. Waiting room must be enabled. Do not share screen. Chat with host only. Rename themselves, unmute themselves must be enabled here. right? So mute upon entry is disabled now. Rest is you can see the options enabled and disabled. Just do the setting same as this video, right? So I'm going back. So this was the session. I hope you like it, and you will successfully execute it from tomorrow onwards. All the very best, and if you have any kind of query you can text us, right? Thank you.